Today, I'm going to show you how to fix Elementor fonts not showing on the front. This is a common issue that happens when Elementor's cache needs clearing or when Google Fonts aren't loading properly. And fixing it will ensure your website displays exactly as you designed it. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and locate the Elementor menu. Click on Elementor, then select Tools from the drop-down menu that appears. This is where you'll find all the maintenance and troubleshooting options for Elementor. Now that you're in the Tools section, you'll see several options for managing your Elementor data. The first thing we need to do is clear the cache. Look for the button that says Clear Files and Data and click on it. This removes all cached CSS and data files that Elementor has stored, which often resolves font display issues. Wait a moment for this process to complete, as it needs to clear all the stored files from your system. Next, click on Sync Library. This action synchronizes your Elementor library with the latest templates and ensures all your design elements, including fonts, are properly connected and up to date. After clicking this, give it a few seconds to finish syncing everything. Once the sync is complete, click Save Changes to apply these updates. This ensures all the clearing and syncing you just did takes effect properly. Now, if clearing the cache didn't solve your problem, we need to check your Google Fonts settings. Click Elementor again in the left sidebar, but this time select Settings instead of Tools. This takes you to Elementor's general configuration area. In the Settings page, click on the Advanced tab at the top. This is where more technical options are located. Scroll down until you find the Google Fonts option. If it's currently set to Disable, change it to Enable using the drop-down menu. This ensures Google Fonts are allowed to load on your site. Right below that, look for the setting called Google Fonts Load. If it's set to Blocking, change it to Default using the drop-down. The blocking option can sometimes prevent fonts from loading properly, while the default setting allows them to load naturally without issues. Finally, click Save Changes one more time to apply these font settings. Your Elementor fonts should now display correctly on the front of your website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.